In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your organization logo to your Zoho Books profile. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your Zoho Books account and ensure that all your documents look professional and branded. So, let's dive in and get started right away. First, begin by navigating to the Zoho homepage by opening your web browser and typing in Zoho in the address bar. Once you're on the Zoho site, you'll want to sign in to access your account. If you look towards the top right-hand corner of the page, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your login information to access your Zoho account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Zoho homepage. From here, you have access to a suite of Zoho applications. Locate and click on Zoho Books. You might notice the Zoho Books icon. It's hard to miss. Click it and you'll be taken straight into the Zoho Books environment, ready to make our profile adjustments. Now that you're in Zoho Books, direct your attention towards the settings. You can find the settings option, usually indicated by a gear icon, at the top or side of the dashboard. Click on it to open a menu with various options. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Profile. Click on the profile link, and this will take you to the section where you'll be updating your organization details, including the logo. Once you're on the profile settings page, you'll see a variety of options related to your organization's information. Look specifically for the Organization Logo section. It should be quite clearly marked. This is the section we'll be using to upload your logo. Now, you should see an option to upload your logo. Click on the Upload button, and this will prompt you to choose a file from your computer. Browse your files to find your organization's logo. It's important to have your logo image prepared beforehand. Ensure it's in a suitable format such as JPEG or PNG for best results. Once selected, confirm your choice, and the logo will begin uploading. As soon as the upload is completed, you'll see your logo displayed within the profile section. Take a moment to review it and make sure it looks correct. If everything looks good, don't forget to save your changes. And there you have it. Your logo is now successfully added to your Zoho Books profile. This simple customization helps make your documents look more professional and aligned with your brand. If you ever need to update or change your logo, you can revisit these same steps at any time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy branding with Zoho Books.